SG103 PRO Drone, feature-rich aerial performer. The SG103 PRO Drone is a powerful, feature-packed quadcopter designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. This innovative drone combines advanced technology, portability, and impressive performance to redefine your aerial photography and flying experience. 4K HD camera for crystal clear visuals. Equipped with a 4K HD camera, the SG103 PRO delivers stunning visuals with incredible detail and clarity. The FPV functionality allows you to stream live footage directly to your remote control screen, giving you a bird's-eye view of the world. Brushless motor for enhanced durability. The SG103 PRO features brushless motors, ensuring smooth performance, reduced noise, and a longer lifespan. This makes it ideal for stable and precise flying, even in challenging conditions. Obstacle avoidance for safe navigation. Fly with confidence thanks to the intelligent obstacle avoidance system. The drone automatically detects and avoids obstacles in its path, ensuring safer flights and protecting your investment. Remote control with built-in screen. The remote control unit includes a built-in rechargeable lithium battery and a screen, allowing real-time monitoring of your drone's activities. The intuitive controls make piloting effortless, even for beginners. Foldable and portable design. The foldable design ensures that the SG103 PRO is compact and easy to carry. When folded, it measures 13 by 8.5 by 9 cm, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. When expanded to 31 by 29 by 9 cm, it delivers optimal flight performance. Powerful battery and long flight time. The 3.7V 3800 mAh lithium battery provides an impressive 25-minute flight time, enabling you to capture more footage in a single charge. With an endurance distance of up to 2,000 meters, free from interference and obstructions, this drone is perfect for exploring vast landscapes. Smart features for enhanced flying. The SG103 PRO offers a range of intelligent features. One-key takeoff and landing makes launching and landing effortless. Fixed height and optical flow positioning ensures smooth, stable hovering for precise shots. Dual cameras switch between perspectives for versatile video recording. Trajectory flight and speed adjustment. Plan your flight path or adjust speed based on your requirements. Real-time transmission and Wi-Fi control. Stay connected and control your drone seamlessly through the app. SG103 PRO versus SG901 Max upgraded version. While the SG901 Max offers robust performance, the SG103 PRO outshines it with enhanced features like 4K resolution, brushless motors, and a more intuitive remote control with a screen. The foldable design and longer flight time make the SG103 PRO the superior choice for both hobbyists and professionals seeking exceptional quality. Perfect for every adventure. Whether you're into aerial photography, videography, or recreational flying, the SG103 PRO Drone is the ultimate tool for unleashing your creativity. Its cutting-edge features, portability, and ease of use make it a standout performer in the world of drones.